Watch out! There's a UAV inbound! How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Pixel Tech. Today's date of recording is the 7th of May, and in today's video we shall be going over the newly announced DJI Mavic Air 2. Full disclaimer, I have not actually used this drone, however I am more than capable of relaying information. So with that, let's dive into the DJI Mavic Air 2. Let's start with what makes this drone special, and that is purely the specs. With 4K video at 60 frames per second, you can get some crisp, sharp image for your action films, as that 60 frames per second will allow you to not only have the video more smooth overall, but also it gives you the option to slow it down a bit if you want more of a cinematic look. You also get other high-end video features such as an 8K hyperlapse feature, so very sharp over there. You get HDR video support, so more high dynamic range. You get the option to slow the video down a lot more if you want, to 240 frames per second at 1080p, so it's going to be even better for action videos if you want certain scenarios where you want to do actual slow-mo, not just cinematic. However, if video is not really your thing, you can take some nice images due to the new 1/2 inch 48 megapixel sensor, which should be nice and crispy, allowing you to take beautiful shots of the city from above when you go on holiday, or just in general wherever you live, or if you go on holiday. So photos should be great and should be great entertainment with your friends. Okay, so with that, video and photos should be really good on this drone. What else makes it special? It has built-in sensors so that it can avoid obstacles. You get up to 10 kilometers of 1080p 30 frames per second real-time video monitoring. You get focus tracking, 34 minutes of flight time, so that's actually very good. I believe it's the highest in their Mavic line. And then you also get a whole range of built-in scenarios for the drone to do, such as take off and do a circle or whatever. It's got a whole bunch of these scenarios built in, so you don't actually have to know how to fly the drone. So how much can you actually pick up this drone for? Well, the answer starts at $799 US. So please let me know what you think about this new drone from DJI down in the comments. Do you like the fact that they've prioritized specs for price, or would your dream drone be something slightly different? Please do subscribe if you haven't already, and this is Pixel Tech signing out.